Hey everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of streaming OBS to Discord. Whether you're sharing gameplay, a tutorial, or a live event, this guide will help you set everything up seamlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Step 1. First, open OBS Studio and go into your settings. This is where we'll configure the audio and video settings to make sure everything streams smoothly. Step 2. In the Settings menu, click on the Audio tab on the left-hand side. Scroll down to the Advanced section and set a monitoring device. This will let you control and monitor the audio being sent through your stream. Step 3. Now, let's prevent audio feedback, which can happen if your friends in Discord hear themselves through your stream. To fix this, you'll need to set up your audio sources using OBS's Application Audio Capture Beta feature. Go to your Sources tab in OBS, click the ++ icon, and select Application Audio Capture Bit. Give it a name, then hit OK. In the next window, set the application you want to capture audio from under the Window option. Step 4. Next, head over to the Audio Mixer tab. Click the gear icon next to your audio source to access the advanced audio settings. In the Audio Monitoring column, select Monitor and Output from the drop-down menu. This ensures your audio is routed to both your OBS stream and your Discord. Once that's set, click Close. Step 5. To share your screen in Discord, we'll need to use a windowed projector in OBS. Right-click on the preview area in OBS and choose Windowed Projector Preview. A new window will pop up showing your OBS preview, which you can resize if needed. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.